I am on my way to a hardware store that's just 3 miles from the house. So I kind of hit the jackpot the other day looking for a post office for my sister, and there's happens to be a little post office in this out of the way hardware store. So yeah. So they even have certain items that are like cheaper than Lowe's and stuff. So I'm kind of hit the jackpot in several ways. So I'm gonna buy the solar charging wire, 6 gauge, that goes from the solar charger all the way to the batteries. And the other day the pump broke, so apart from the solar stuff, I'm also just getting the RV ready. It's weird, one of those things, it just went. So might as well go now that I can have time to change it. So I just need a couple of hoses and I upgraded it a little bit. I'll show you all about it. So yeah, the build continues.
You have to yell it out loud, and there's a bell ringing to make you sure. Because that's how Cinderella can come, and after she's done making her food, and she has to do all the chores and all of the things, and her stepsisters and her stepmom can't do.
So how do I ask for tea?
Cinderella, you have to yell it out. You can be in the game as long as you stay in the RV. I thought that trash
Cinderella!
bag. Hold on. I thought that trash bag was my tea set bag.
I hear somebody coming.
Oh man! Wait!
I bet he woke me up.
Papa, we got a coconut and a coconut for Axel and you, and then there's a peach and a peach for Daddy and Nana, and I have a strawberry.
Let's go have some ice cream.
Okay, but after we keep playing Cinderella. Got it? Papa, that lady was talking to like coconut too, like I do.
It does.
She
The
does.
lady at the counter gave him a sucker.
Oh yeah?
Who's that, Cece? Who's that?
Grandpa.
Yeah.
I like driving too.
He says pajamas.
You coming to say bye to Grandpa and Nana?
Bye.
Bye.
Here, give Nana her flowers back. Did you pick those?
Let me check the
I
car.
picked those bananas.
Sí.
Ouch, ouch,
No, y tú no
ouch.
sabes lo que hizo.
¿Qué?
Las recogió y se las dio a Benjo y que me las trajera de
Oh.
sorpresa.
She gave them to Benjamin and said, here, take them to Nana as a surprise.
Yeah. Ajá.
Collecting more flowers, are we?
Thank you, honey. Thank you.
¿Qué pasó?
Es que no lo conozco.
Oh.
Salí de Miami, pero me gusta, aun cuando esté nuevo, me
Uh-huh.
gusta chequearle que esté bien el agua.
Driving all the way to Houston. Checking water. Brand new car. Old habits are hard to break. Never a bad idea. We should do that more.
This is just below full. You can see the level right here.
Oh yeah, yeah.
So it's not bad.
Yeah, it's not bad.
And what's this thing?
Huh? This is wash the.
Windshield fluid.
You want to buy antifreeze for it, or you want to do?
No, it's okay. It's
just
okay.
some water?
It's all right.
It's
No,
okay.
no, it's okay.
Another kiss. Another kiss. Another kiss.
Bye, Nana. Oh, we're checking the oil.
Another kiss.
Ow, baby, but you're stepping on my foot now. Tell Daddy to give you his sandals. A ver, viejita, antes que te metas en el hoyo. Mwah.
I love you.
Can you carry me to the
Brand new
house?
car. What's the miles on it? Does it got any miles on it?
Yeah, are you hurting your feet in the pavement?
Claro.
Carry me.
Ya tú sabes, cárgalo. Mira, esto no le ha quitado ni.
Sí, no le ha quitado ni la.
Bye.
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 Soon. Gene's gonna be happy.
Yep.
Gene.
Yeah, you.
Sí, él está feliz.
Remember
Thank you.
Gene
They're taking this car to Gene, and then they're gonna fly back.
in Houston.
Bye.
She can't see you, actually.
Get closer.
He said, "Get closer."
Bye, honey. I love you.
I love you too.
You guys drive careful.
Thank you.
Bye. That's a pretty car.
Well, Nana and Grandpa are gone, so it's time to get back on that horse. Continue with the solar and various RV repairs. Yeah, our water pump went bad about 3 weeks ago. So I took the opportunity to not just get a new water pump, but get one of these little guys. It's an accumulator tank, and for those of you who have RVs, you know that the water pump kind of pulsates when you turn it on. And the accumulator tank, when you put it in between the pump and the spigot, it kind of takes away the pulsation, and everybody says it does. So I'm kind of stoked. For the price, it was well worth the experiment. First on the agenda is I'm going to see how far I can get in wiring up these batteries. The cable's so big and expensive, that's the part that has me worried the most. Not necessarily making the wrong connections, but you know, measuring 1 inch off and ruining this expensive wire. Yeah, here we go.
1, 2, 3. I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me.
Oh my goodness. I get tired just looking at that. It's a lot's been done, and we've been getting the trailer ready to take it into a shop there's a few things that we need to do that take a little bit more finesse than what we have. Changing the fabric on the awning and putting vent covers on all the vents, putting a slide topper on the slide, you know, stuff like that. And we're gonna just take it into a shop and get those pieces done because we're kind of running out of time. So we are rushing. It's Memorial Day and we've been kind of just basically getting the trailer ready to take in. A little out of breath with everything over the last week and a half. Haven't stopped by and said hello to everybody. Hi everybody. So thanks for hanging in there. The kids are being real troopers. They're hanging in there. You know, we're putting in long days in order to get a lot of this kind of thing done. After RVing for a couple of years, we have a really good idea of where the comfort points are, what makes us be more comfortable during rainy days, especially if we have to be inside. It's coming along really, really well. We ran all the wires, no more wires to run. The only thing that's left with the solar is to put the panels up. I know you would think that'd be finished too, but we wanted to not put the panels up before we took the RV in. So now that we're taking it in, that way they're walking up above without bumping into any of that stuff. So when it comes back, we're gonna do the panel. We're very excited to get back on the road and go see the Midwest, Northwest. We'll see how far we get before winter comes, but that's the plan. We hardly ever get to ask this, but it really helps out. If you haven't subscribed, please do so and ring the bell and you'll see what's coming up next. I think they're gone now. They're all the way down the corner. You ain't going that far.
Wow.
Did you like those?
Can't miss any.
Ugh.